I got myself the touring headlights, or the G9.5 Honda Accord 2.4, converting from the G9 2.0 Honda Accord. So this is the back portion. As I understood the previous model, the 2.0, before converting, there is a high beam here and a low beam, and some DRL and turning lights. So I got myself 2 sets of these from online Shopee. Cost around 400 plus. So it comes here with high beam and low beam and this connector, and the other one comes in this head. I'm not sure what this is, but the head here is very familiar with this one. So, you know, building computers and building this one should be the same, should be the same. But I'm not gonna plug by myself. I'm gonna send the car accessory shop, of course. Just that I want to know why I'm missing out this cable, why this two comes like this connection here, but this one doesn't. So this is a bit odd. I'm not getting 3 of these. So let's go. So this one is straightforward. I just need to plug it right here, click, and I have to plug it right over here. This one is quite straightforward too, just like so. Yep, that's about it. So I got it in. So these two this one has high and low, and probably this is the power input, so the output will be this light. So high will be in here, low will be here, and this one could be the DRL, and this one could be the turning lights. And what the hell is this? That could be something else too, which I don't know. Okay, my piece here came with this bracket, which actually is for the 9.5 gen to hook the grill here. So it's not needed in the 9.0. Just that, should I remove this on the right side? Because on my left side it didn't come with this. So this one can be removed later at the accessory shop. That's how it looks like. So tomorrow around 2 PM I'll be bringing this light, and yeah, be installing this light. It's not in a good shape, but for the price it's good enough. So this is just for fun, because if you compare yourself this one with the Eagle Eyes in Malaysia, that costs around 3,000 ringgit, which is a lot of money for just headlamps. If you get this in new, it's around the same price. It's just that this one is half cut Honda Accord lights, which is not under warranty. Just for fun, I got it in pair for 1,000 ringgit. So this project costs around 1,500 ringgit to upgrade. So you can see there is Mitsubishi and so on. It looks legit. I mean, who else is going to copy this thing, unless there's a market for it. So that's that, guys, the headlamp. Wish me luck for tomorrow. I'm not sure about the this one particularly, so do comment down below if you guys know about what this is about. Am I missing a cable? Because I'm a bit scared of missing one right now. Hopefully this is just a power cable that comes from the car, so I don't have to worry about it. So okay guys, that's it for this video. Peace out.